Hey guys, my info button has been stuck on my 2007 Tundra for a long time. And so I finally got on YouTube, started messing around, got in here and pulled this thing apart, and was able to get it at least mostly fixed. This button right here, the setup button, all it does as far as I can tell is switch between US and metric for temperature. There may be more options, but that's all I can tell. So what I did is took a little small screwdriver and just pried this thing out. So I'm gonna push it back in so you can see it. Then you just get under there, kind of pops right out. See that? And then there's a little, mine didn't come out very far, but there's a little, let's see if I can focus that up a little bit. There's a little thing right there. You can see that right just in front of my nail that I'm gonna push. So I'm gonna set down the camera and push that real quick. Sorry, I'm just gonna continue my video right there. And I'm gonna pop that. Push that and came right out. And this is what you get. You can see my setup button now is the broken one, but I'll show you why in just a second. I used the little plunger for that for my info button. So here we go. This is what you got. You can buy these online for 75 bucks or so, is what it seems. When you look on here, there's these little tabs right there you can push, and there's two on the top as well. I didn't even really mess with those. I just kind of did this. Get this thing off. There you go. All right, so I just put my screwdriver in there. Was able to pry it up. It's really fun doing this with one hand. All right, this comes out just like that. I'm gonna flip it over and lay it down. All right, so now this is what you got. You got your three buttons. And this third one, as you can see, is now missing the little plunger that goes right there. The little spring. So what I found is this broken little piece in here was up here under my info button, which is really the only button I needed, info and select. So I stole the plunger or the spring from setup and I moved it up here. So I'm going to be looking for the part number so I can get this little piece and replace it. I don't know about you guys, I just hate spending 100 bucks. Actually, I went to the dealer. I think they quoted me 300 to do this, to replace this whole piece. I hate wasting money like that. So for now, this works. I just tried it. I'm able to cycle through my miles per gallon, my range, and my current MPG and average MPG. And I think that's it. So that's the first time since I've owned the truck that I'm able to do it. So yeah, pretty excited. Hope this helps somebody out. If you happen to know this part number, send it my way. Thanks.